दोन्ही पावर पहिल्या तुम्ही
हय.
खंयची पावराचे अंडर तुमचे काम बरें जालें
से मुगे गव्हर्मेंट आतां जो गव्हर्मेंट आहा
हय
BJP led government आहा तेजेर मुगेलें कामां बरें जालें. Let us clear things. Let us
Yeah, let us be
you have to
frank.
no you have to call spade a spade.
सो काँग्रेसी परस बरी जाली
100% बरें जालें. See, I don't know. You should ask them.
हाऊ डू यू सी आय विल आस्क देम आय सर्टनली विल आस्क देम
I would not like to even say anything about them, but I don't want to. In fact, I don't want to even touch them.
जाल्यार एक गजाल म्हाका दिसता
सारकें.
तू बीजेपी कडेन यू आर रेडी टू टॉक
Yes.
यू आर रेडी टू इंटरॅक्ट
Yes.
काँग्रेस यू डोंट इवन वॉन्ट टू टच बाय बाजपोल
See, it is like this.
Hoy.
They hate me. So they show as though they hate me, their behavior. They don't come for my functions. They don't attend anything. So they show that.
तूं आपयता?
Once again, yeah. I will not talk nonsense. I'm a senior MLA.
बरोबर
हांव आपयल बगर म्हणपा ना.
आं ओके
See, I'm very clear. Let us call spade a spade.
या
So when I call them, I know how they behave with me. So I am looking at it. I'm not a young guy who is just first time MLA to
Correct.
notice things. I'm noticing something.
करेक्ट
So people who hate you, why you should talk about them? Why you should give them advice? People, if they ask me advice, I will give them. But the way they are behaving, so why I should advise somebody who is not behaving well with me? When 9 MLAs came, there was nobody. Congress made a guard ashili. The same people who are now saying that, same NGOs, activists are saying that Congress is good. Congress are now काडे गाडी मारताले 2000 परिकर जिकल तेन्ना हांव एकटो आशिल्लो हांव एक काँग्रेस मेंबर मो ऑपोजिशना वयतालो हांव एकयतालो कित्याक गो प्रोटेस्टा बी वयता तेन्ना म्हाका फोटोची देखून दोन नासले काँग्रेसमॅन भायर राव म्हणटाले आनी हांव लायक अ लॅम्बडो वचोन थिंग उबो रावतालो सायडीन फोटो पासून येनासलो पूण सगळें एज्युटेशन करतालो So this was my state of affairs. I have gone through a lot of shit. But I have not got demoralized and not stopped the good I am doing it.